Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up on Joshua Mhlakela, the man who's recently made headlines for predicting the rapture will happen in September 2025. There's confusion, prophecy, and a lot of attention. So, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Joshua Mhlakela is a religious figure in South Africa who's become known for making prophetic statements, especially about the end times. Recently, he appeared on the podcast I've Been Through the Most and channels like Sent Twins TV, claiming he'd had dreams and visions, including one that placed the rapture on September 23 to 24, 2025. He says he was once a pastor, but stepped down because of those visions. He describes himself now more as a believer with prophetic messages rather than leading a church. He has been going viral on social media, especially TikTok, under hashtags like #RaptureTalk, where people are reacting strongly to his claims. He said he saw Jesus on a throne and heard that the rapture is upon us, whether people are ready or not. His prophecy is tied to dates that align with the Jewish Feast of Trumpets and has stirred both support from followers and skepticism from religious scholars and the public. Where is Joshua Mhlakela now? As of the latest reports, Joshua Mhlakela is living in Johannesburg, South Africa. It appears he wasn't caught up in the rapture after all. He no longer works as a sitting pastor, according to him, but continues to share prophetic teachings via online platforms, podcasts, and interviews. He has become more of a prophetic voice than a church leader, dedicating his time to spreading his vision about the rapture and preparing believers for what he says is coming. Joshua Mhlakela's story shows how one person's prophetic claim can ripple across social media and become global news overnight. These kinds of end times prophecies always raise big questions. What does the Bible really say? And how do believers handle claims about fixed dates? Whether people believe him or not, he's definitely in the spotlight for now.